What's up, guys? Today we're going to go over the features and functions of the NVG-ALPHA new binocular housing that we're launching. This is it here. Let's get into it. First thing you want to do is install a battery in order to be able to turn it on. That's a very simple unscrewing of the battery cap here. It takes a CR123 battery. Any type, any brand will do. And then you're just going to turn that battery cap until it's snug. You don't need to crank on it. Tight, snug will be fine, and it'll make the connection that will allow you to power on the device. In order to power on the device, it is a 1-second hold of this central button here. Down and in. 1 second, press and hold, turns the device on. In order to set the focus on your device, you're going to want to turn these lenses so they are all the way inwards. That will set them to infinity. With your objective lenses set to infinity, you can adjust your diopters to your own eyes. Look at an object far away where we know that your objective lenses will be in focus, and adjust these until that object is as crisp and clean of an image as you can. For those of you who have manual gain tubes, this central knob here, turning it up and down, allows you to adjust the gain on your device. This device is equipped with gain memory, which means that if you have your gain turned all the way down or all the way up or at some particular setting that you really like, the device will remember that when you power it down and then back on again. It'll power up to whatever gain setting you had it at most recently. There is an IR illuminator on this device. Double tap this front button here in order to turn that on. This device is also equipped with auto pod shutoff. So when you bring the pods up to a certain point, the pods will automatically shut off, and they will do that independently of each other. So if you only have one up, only one will turn off. If you want to disable that feature, 1, 2, 3 presses will disable it. 1, 2, 3 presses will re-enable it. The light pipe indicator is visible through the eyepiece. The light pipe will flash sequentially with a long flash at the end, indicating that the function has been enabled. There's also a feature in the device where when it is flipped up past 90 degrees and stowed on your helmet, it will automatically turn off. If you lean forward or you bring the device back down, the device will turn itself back on. This is meant to mitigate some of the splashback and chances of damage, but I would never rely on this to protect your tubes from light damage. Say you're walking outside of a building in the daytime. If you want to turn that feature off, it is 4 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4 turns that feature off. If you want to turn that feature back on again, 1, 2, 3, 4. This device also has an idle timeout. So if you don't touch it for 2 minutes, it realizes that it's not in use. It will automatically power itself down and then prevent any damage from light sources that it may be staring at when you leave it down. If for whatever reason you are having trouble getting back to the factory settings or something is not functioning correctly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 forms a factory reset on the board. All of these settings will return to their default settings. To set up the eyepiece stops, which allows you to adjust these pods for the distance in between your eyes, these 2 wheels here are the 2 wheels to adjust. Rotating them outwards towards the edges of the device moves the pods apart. Rotating them inwards brings the pods closer together. If you want to use remote power with this device, a 4-pin fisher, align your 2 white dots, press until you hear a click. That's all there is to it. To disconnect, pull up on the collar, disconnect. That's it. Okay, that does it for the NVG-ALPHA overview guide. If you need more information, you can find it on the product page on our website, link below. Take care.